Squeaky penguin here, and that's what we're going to do. We want to build a bond with this dog because it's going to have to work with us for quite a few years, and so we always want to step up on the right foot, and we're going to play with that dog because during that play we can teach it a lot of things. So first of all, we've got to get this dog to play. Here we go, Betty, off we go. So this toy, we've got to animate it like a rabbit running away from her. Look at her little legs going, it's like a ferret on speed. Go for it, go. And she wants that toy, and that's what I want her to do. If I don't animate it, then she says, oh, it's boring, I'm not going to play with you. And you can see twist! Oh, well done, and no one fell over. That was very good. Right, now we're going to make it a bit harder. Have you got good balance? Because you need good balance. Here we go, look at Disco. She's hopping on 3 legs. Can you hop on that 1 leg all the way round? Keep going. Well done, give them a big round of applause. Aren't they doing well? 6. Okay, remember whatever Disco does, you've got to do. Are you ready? Steady! Down. Oh, wouldn't you like that control? Right, okay, here we go, dogs in the down. It's going to creep, down, creep, down, creep, down, creep. And your big ending, roll over. Aren't you pleased the horses ain't been in here yet? Well done, and didn't they do well? Give them a big round of applause.